Hello, welcome to today's channeled reading. And today I want to pull cards from the deck of Romance Angel because there have been energies of harmonious union. So let's see how the cards are guiding us to the romance energy of with your twin flame. So I'll just pull 3 cards and then we'll just go through it. Yeah, I always love this card. There is something God will always talk to you through the cards and tune into the energy because it is all about the energy. The cards are the confirmation that the energy is available or the energy is now flowing, and then it is up to you how efficiently you have healed yourself and you are able to tap into that energy, because the moment you tap into that energy you attract that thing to yourself. That's how it happens. So the first card is about make the effort. Okay, great love is worth taking the steps you are guided to take. Yes, this has always been my core value. When you love someone, right, rather than sitting in the upset that they are choosing to stay separate from you, or maybe you believe that they are making you feel rejected, but truly your twin flame, who is a part of your soul, cannot hate you or cannot choose to stay separate from you, right? It is just a mirroring that is happening. So just take the first step. The first step is just loving yourself. Just love yourself and ask God, how can you heal yourself faster so that you attract your twin flame and you enjoy your harmonious union. So the card reads like, you received this card because some action steps on your path are necessary in order for your prayers about your love life to be answered. The angels have opened the doors for you, and now it's time for you to walk through them. The first thing that comes to mind with respect to taking action is good starting place for you. Wow, beautiful. A combination of healing and then taking action always results into a success story. Always, always. It cannot happen that you are just healing and not taking any action. So because it's only when you take action there will be an effect. Okay, the effect comes only after you take the action. So as you the card shows as if you have healed a lot. You have healed a lot, and there may be some feeling within your heart, like maybe you feel called to give a call to your twin flame, or could be a call like you want to visit them. Just follow that guidance, take that action. Okay, it is safe to be vulnerable with your twin flame. It is safe because they are you, right? So why to hide all that feeling from the person that you love from the bottom of your heart, right? There is no point in that. So just take the action that your heart is guiding you at the moment. The card shows, as you have healed, you are naturally feeling the call to take action. Go forward. Oh my god, the card is wedding. That's why I love this deck. These energies of universe that invites you to get to move fast, to move fast, take action, heal yourself. And you never know, like one moment of time when your vibration will just align to this energy and harmonious union is done. This situation involves marriage. I feel like, as if like uh, I'm about to get into this energy soon. So you drew this card because of an upcoming wedding, your own or somebody else. So I claim it for me. You do that for yourself. It comes to you because marriage plays a role in the answer to your question. For some people, this card could be a validation that you will get married and asks you to keep the faith and continue enjoying your life without worry about your future marital status. For others, this card signals that you will meet a significant other at an upcoming wedding or experience something there that will lead to new romance for you. It can also represent your parents' marriage and the way it affected your feelings and beliefs about relationship. It has a lot of depth. This card is talking so many energies. You can just tap into your heart and feel how this card about wedding is making you feel. What is the first feeling that is coming up, because that's what is your message through this card. I instantly feel, as if like I just have to drop the worry or uh, stop even thinking about my harmonious union, because it's on the way, right? Right away for me, because I have healed a lot. So likewise, you can just tap into your heart. If there is any marriage invitation and you are just have been waiting to meet you to inflame, and you feel like they're coming into that ceremony, so then this card is like, go there and see what is going to happen, surrender the outcome and go there. Or it could be a deeper healing, like yes, our parents marriage plays a great role in the energies of our feeling about how we feel about marriage. Okay, because if our parents marriage has been very painful, full of struggle, full of fights, full of different negative emotions, then that holds a big childhood trauma in your energy. And in that case, you don't feel like, even taking a step even to heal yourself or to claim your twin flame, because that scares you. You feel as if like, what if your marriage is going to fade away like that. But the truth is, your twin flame loves you unconditionally. It's a divine marriage. It's going to be full of love only. The twin flame is going to love you like a queen or a king. Absolutely, absolutely. So just just love yourself. Oh my God, this is what I have been telling. I was about to come to this energy. The energy is you deserve love. Yes, you need to believe that, whatever maybe your belief about your parents' marriage or anything about that love hurts, you just release that and come to the point, heal yourself and come to the point that you deserve love, right? God created you to experience love on the earth. That's how beautiful this earth is. Nothing ends, there is no end to the flow of energy, flow of love from source. And once you open up yourself, it's only God who is going to love you through your twin flame, right? So just release the person and establish your relationship with God, and come to the feeling that yes, you deserve love, you are lovable. That's the truth. The romance angels are cheering you on your quest for great love by letting you know that you deserve it. As a child of God, you are naturally a loving and lovable person. Uh, is for everyone. You have the right to be treated with kindness and respect by everyone in your life. Yes, it's not only your twin flame. When you come to the healing and clear all the block, you will feel as if everyone around you loves you. because you are lovable. God has created love only. You are love. So how can somebody not love you, right? So the rejection or any anxiety or any stress that you are feeling around love, or even the simple relationship, could be a simple friend, it's time to release all that. Believe the truth is you are loved, and just take steps forward and walk in the direction to be one with love, to embody that unconditional love within you. Beautiful cards, and the energies are beautiful. Go ahead and claim your love. Tune into this energy. Tune into, when you tune into the, even you take the first step to be hopeful about this energy, that will do miracle in your life. So just take for the first step. That's all. Thank you.